Hi friends, how are you? Today I am very happy to see the immense success of my previous video which I uploaded one day back or 1 or 2 days back. That was indeed my clear intention to impart some concrete knowledge to you regarding a paragraph. Whenever we read a paragraph, we should pay utmost attention to all the grammatical styles that have been used in that paragraph. So, continuing that same topic, today I have decided to upload a new video and the topic is same, but I have changed the title of the topic. Today I have written it as examining a paragraph. So, today we will examine a paragraph closely with a view to understanding it properly. Otherwise, if we don't pay proper attention to a paragraph regarding all the aspects of it, nothing our knowledge of this language becomes absolutely incomplete. So, if you want to get proficiency in this language, then this kind of knowledge is absolutely indispensable. So today, let's start our topic and keep fingers crossed. You will certainly get some concrete knowledge today. First of all, let's read the paragraph. So, examining a paragraph. Our topic is examining a paragraph. So what happens? I have written here a paragraph and let me read it before you. Thereafter we will start discussing it. Caesar has returned to Rome after having inflicted a heavy defeat on Pompey himself at the Battle of Pharsalia, and Pompey had died soon afterwards. The people of Rome, coming out on the streets, celebrated Caesar's victory over the sons of Pompey. At one time, Pompey was held in high esteem in Rome and people loved worshipping him immensely. So, in this way, I have read out this paragraph, and this paragraph is a part of a drama written by William Shakespeare, and the name of that drama is Julius Caesar. So, let's start our today's work and try to concentrate on every sentence, every word, so that your concept may become absolutely clear. So, let's read the first sentence. Caesar has returned to Rome after having inflicted a heavy defeat on Pompey himself at the Battle of Pharsalia. So, first of all, let's discuss it word by word. Caesar. Caesar is a name of a particular person, Julius Caesar. So, this comes in a proper noun. This word comes in a proper noun. Noun is of 5 kinds, as you already know: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. So, in this paragraph, we will discuss the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. And apart from them, we will also discuss gerund, participle, infinitive, and other grammatical styles like direct, indirect, narration, passive voice, and relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, personal pronoun. Everything will be used in this paragraph. So, look at the board. So, Caesar is an example of personal proper noun. This is a proper noun. This is an example of proper noun. And has returned. So, this sentence has been written in present perfect tense. Has been used here. Present perfect tense. Man verb third form has been used here. Third form. To. Now, to is an example of preposition, because a preposition shows relationship between two things or two people. So, to, on, at, in, into, onto, and before, after, These are all against, across, along. These are all called preposition. So return to Rome. He returned where? To Rome. So now this word to connects, shows relationship between returned and Rome. So to is here preposition. To is used as preposition. Rome is proper noun. Rome is the name of a city, so it comes in a noun, proper noun, and common noun will be city. After having inflicted. So when he returned, after is also preposition. Before, after, these are called preposition. वो लौटा, कब लौटा? एक काम after completing a work. So after joins, shows relationship between returned and something else. Having inflicted. So having inflicted is an example of perfect participle. Participles are of three kinds: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. So perfect participle shows completion of a work. So having defeated, matlab after defeating, after the completing the work of defeating somebody. So having inflicted, कर चुकने के बाद में, having inflicted means चोट पहुंचाना, to wreak havoc, चोट पहुंचाना. So having inflicted, this is written in a perfect participle. This sentence is written in perfect participle. Inflicted, is an example of article. So as you know, a and the are called articles. And heavy defeat. So defeat is an example of noun, har. Heavy, bhari. So this is an example of adjective, because an adjective qualifies a noun. Adjective tells some good qualities or bad qualities of a noun, as high hill, low seat, and long road, and deep cave. So in this way, these words show some kind of quality of a noun. And on Pompey. So on is also an example of preposition. On Pompey. Pompey is an example of noun. Pompey is a particular person. So this is comes in a proper noun. Proper noun. Himself. Now himself, myself, yourself. These are all the examples of reflexive pronoun. So this is an example of reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. At is an example of preposition. Preposition. कहाँ पर at? The is an example of article. Battle, noun. Battle is an example of noun. Battle, लड़ाई में, लड़ाई, battle. At, of, battle of. Of is also preposition, because it shows relationship between battle and Pharesia. Pharesia is a particular place. In the, जैसे खालसा की लड़ाई, खानवा की लड़ाई, the battle of Khanwa, the battle of Haldi Ghati, and as you know, Maharana Pratap was a sensational warrior and he fought bravely against the Mughals. So he fought many battles, and some places have become so historical and famous, that Haldi Ghati and Khanwa. So in this way, Pharesia is also an historical place. So battle of Pharesia. Pharesia is a noun, proper noun. And Pompey. And is a word. This word joins two words and sometimes two sentences. So and is an example of conjunction. Conjunction. A conjunction merely joins two words and sometimes two sentences. Conjunction does not show any kind of relationship between two words and two sentences. It merely joins. Mohan and Ravi are going to school. Mohan or Ravi school जा रहे हैं, and here merely joins Mohan and Ravi, and not any kind of relationship is shown between them. So the examples of conjunctions are not only but also as well as so that, to, either or, neither nor, and as well as. These are all the examples of conjunction. And Pompey. Pompey is a name of particular person, proper noun. Had died. Past perfect tense has been used here. Had died, third form. Soon, afterwards. So these are, both of them are examples of adverb. These are the examples of adverb. It is also adverb. So you should keep one thing in your mind, that an adverb modifies or qualifies another adverb, verb, or an adjective. As a horse runs fast. So here the word fast is qualifying the word runs. And here had died soon afterwards. Had died soon afterwards. So both of them are adverbs, and one adverb is qualifying another adverb. So soon afterwards. And the people, the is an example of article. Log, and the people, noun. This is an example of collective noun. Of Rome. Rome is, again, you have already understood preposition. Rome, noun. Proper noun. Coming out on the streets. Coming out. Coming here is an example of present participle. Bahar aate hue. Opening the glass, he ran away. Opening the door, he ran away. Closing the door, he shouted loudly. And chewing tobacco, he spitted everywhere. And blowing his own trumpet, he started bragging. So in this way, coming out out is also an example of preposition. Coming is an example of present participle. Coming, aate hue, on is also an example of preposition. Coming out, on, the is article. Streets, noun. Sadkon par, street. Celebrated, Caesars. Celebrated is man, verb, third form, verb. Celebrated, verb. Caesar key. So Caesar is a noun, proper noun. And apostrophe s, this is called apostrophe s, ka ke ki. Caesar's victory. Victory is an example of noun, Vijay. And victor, विजेता को कहते हैं victor. Over is also an example of preposition. किस पर? Over, the article. Sons of Pompey, putra. So noun. Of is also an example of preposition. Of Pompey, noun, proper noun. At one time, at is also an example of preposition. At one time, one is also an example of adjective, विशेषण. एक समय, तो समय is an noun. So one is qualifying the word time. So one time, एक समय, adjective and noun. Pompey, noun, proper noun. Was, held. Was, था, थे, थी, past tense, held in high esteem. This is called phrase, padbandh. This is called phrase. He was held in high esteem. Hold somebody in high esteem means to regard someone greatly or to respect someone immensely. Was held in high esteem. So this is an example of phrase, high esteem. In Rome. In is an example of preposition again. In Rome. Rome is noun. And is also conjunction, because a conjunction merely joins two words and sometimes two sentences. And people, collective noun. Loved, verb. Worshipping, people loved worshipping. So this is an example of gerund. लोगों को पसंद था, पसंद करते थे पूजा करना. They loved worshipping. I love driving a car. And people hate drinking liquor. I hate drinking liquor. And in this way. And we love celebrating Diwali every year. So in this way, these are words: celebrating, loving, hating. These are all called gerund. Base form of the verb has been used here. Nahana, sonna, jagna. He loves sleeping. He loves bathing. He loves swimming in the river in this way. He loves driving in the evening. So in this way, worshipping him. Personal. Him is an example of personal pronoun. Immensely. Worshipping him immensely is an example of adverb. अत्यधिक रूप से. So in this way, I have decided to upload this video today with a view to helping you understand the different grammatical styles which are used in a paragraph, and these are very important. These things are very important for you unless until you learn them properly, and if your concept is absolutely clear in this regard, in the way in which I wrote on the whiteboard, your English will certainly become very refined and polished. So keep watching the videos and keep sharing them, and at the end of the video I also want to thank you immensely for making my previous video absolutely sensational and absolutely successful. Thank you and good night. May God bless you.